Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Let's take a brief look at the gold market. The gold market situation still is really complex and sophisticated, or better to say, a situation a bit tricky, because from the fundamental point of view, we do not have much reasons to count on the possible rebound in the gold market and upward acceleration, but technically, theoretically, the chance still exists that market could show the upward move. From the fundamental point of view, we have probably just possible physical demand on the Asia and not very successful recent non-farm payrolls release that really could somehow impact on the market and could trigger some upward bounce. But in general, guys, to let market reach the areas around 1350 and to support the further upward action, we need, I suppose that we need something more. We need really significant demand on the physical market. And although maybe the retail sales, the individual demand on the gold jewelry in the Asia has increased, but the SPDR fund reports on the decreasing of the storage of on the physical gold, and that really shows the sentiment of the investors in relation to the gold market. So the really big investors still stand flat and still stand inside and do not hurry with the investment in the gold. Because on the previous week, the SPDR fund has lost approximately 10 tons of the storage, and that's really significant drop for just a single week. It's not a record drop, but this is really still a sizable amount. That's why, guys, currently I do not want to start discussion of the possible really reversal on the gold market. But maybe some bounce really could happen, because in fact on the daily chart, if we'll take a look pure on the technical picture, we have regardless triple to buy, so the initial thrust up, it's reversal swing is greater than the previous swing down, right? And a deep retracement to the downside, ABCD retracement down. Traders tell that when you see the reversal swing, buy first ABCD retracement down, and this retracement has been completed. Take a look that market was able to hold above the monthly pivot support one. That is also a relatively bullish sign, and in fact market somehow was able to hold the shape of this possible reversal head and shoulders pattern, right? It looks a bit curious and not very harmonic, but something from the head and shoulders you could recognize here. The one reason why market could show slightly deeper action compared to these lows is the target of this ABCD. So I think that this shy dive below these lows, swash and rinse of these lows, we could call it, was mostly due to the existence of the target that stands slightly lower than these lows. That's why market has touched it and returned right back up. Take a look that currently price stands even higher than this low. In this case, we can't absolutely totally ignore the possibility of the upward retracement, of the upward reaction. Whether it will be reversal, whether market will accelerate further to the upside, or it will be just a retracement, we do not know. But some upward action here is possible. Well, if it will start at all, this upward bounce, let's see how it could happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, in fact, we have the downward channel. Right now market has completed this target, simultaneously has touched the lower border of this channel and has reached the monthly pivot support one. What is more interesting right now, guys, is that current bottom stands right at the 1618 extension of this retracement, and as you know, that's very typical ratio for the head and shoulders pattern. So somehow we should get something that could give us the confidence that market really could start move to the upside. Maybe here market will form some reversal head and shoulders pattern, I don't know. Speaking about this bottom, we need to take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart we see that if we will ignore these spikes and we'll draw the lines mostly based on the real action of the price, you'll see the chance for the three drive buy pattern. So you can see that second bottom stands at 127 of this retracement, while potential third drive will stand at the crossing of the 127 extension of the second drive and 1618 extension of the first drive. Okay, but currently it's a bit still a question whether market will show this action. At the first glance, it is possible, because take a look that the downward action really fast while retracement is very slow. It's again fast action, slow action. So theoretically market could continue moving for this free drive, but based on the market mechanics this will be not logical action, because market already has hit the target, has hit the ABCD target on the daily chart, and logically in fact it has no reasons to show any washing reasons of these lows and show any further downward action. That's why the current pattern, the current free drive is under question. We could say even that maybe the appearing of some skewed head and shoulders pattern here looks more probable rather than appearing of the free drive. But all that we need is just to wait a bit and we will get the solution for the current situation. Because on the current week we probably mostly will be focused on the possible reversal pattern here and a possible trading the reaction of the market on completion of this ABCD. The minor reaction that could follow as the result of the completing of this pattern usually is at minimum the 3-8 resistance of the whole ABCD pattern. 3-8 retracement, and here it will not be the small move, approximately 12 to 20 25 bucks per contract. That will be not small move action in general, and that's probably what we will be watching for on the current week, because right now it's probably it's difficult to talk about the further downward continuation, although it could possible, but for that purpose we need to see the breakout of these lows. If it will happen, yes, we will shift to the discussing of the possible reaching of 1240 and the previous lows right here. But right now, as market holds here and theoretically keeps chances on the possible rebound, we mostly will speak about the possible patterns that could trigger this retracement, and if we will get any soon, we will try to use it for making the scalp long trade on the gold market.